I'm here in my friend's house. See, see, I'm in sa building. The next building is the Parkside. See, this is the lake, Manmid Lake. You wanna see the lake? See, that's the lake. I show you the lake there. This lake is connecting to the sea. They made this lake a man-made lake. This is a man-made lake. See, it's in Rim Island near Parkside Building. Between SAS Building and Parkside Building. See, I just walk in the other road coming here because the bus is stopped in the other road, not here. See, the building, the next building is the Parkside already. The wind is cold, but the sun is hot. We can walk here if we want to go walking, beside the lake. See, I don't know what they're gonna do here. It's a vacant, It's tower. It's cold. The wind is so cold. The wind is very cold.